Hey guys, Spartan here from SpartanTrading.com. I want to hit you guys with the January 10th basically day review. Let's take a look at what happened today. Basically, market opened up, started to pull down a little bit. What we did today was we focused on, well, we were watching interest rates the entire time. We were watching the 10-year bond yield, right? See what was going on there. Once that started to come in, I figured we can get a nice little bounce on all the high PE tech names. I was actually looking at the high PE tech names right out the gate. We played a bunch of them, like NVIDIA. I took some SPY this morning. What else did we take? A whole bunch of different things. And what I noticed was the premiums weren't coming in on the call side as the market sold off. So right away I thought, okay, we're probably going to see a little bit of a bounce on the market, or there's going to be buying pressure at some point. Once the downtrend broke, we did get into SPY calls. We got into the 462.50s today, which ended up being a 1,000% trade on a Monday, which is quite rare, but it was a nice trade. Got in at 33 cents. We got out most of them at 370, held some after hours, and ended up exiting the rest of it in the last 15 minutes basically before these contracts closed. So that was a good trade, obviously 1,000%er. We did have some Intel overnight, another name that we took, which ended up working nicely. I had a lot of traders reach out to me this morning saying, hey, things aren't working, and I just say, guys, be patient. Wait for the market to turn. It looks like it's extended to the down, so you're not seeing that selling pressure. You're seeing call premiums hold up, and lo and behold, we did get that turn, and a lot of stuff that was red in the morning went green. A couple other things that we played, high PE tech name, Coop, played that on the long side. That worked out nicely. We were in Tesla right out the gate. Actually took the name. We had stops at 980. We ended up moving them on the morning volatility to 970, which was the right decision. Got a nice push on this one. We ended up taking the profit from that, rolling it into some 1150 calls, which closed it real nicely. And I think we will see continuation on Tesla the next day. So that's another decent trade from today. A couple other ones were like DWAC. We played some of that Rally. Let me try and find some names that didn't work today. There's got to be, Wells Fargo right out the gate. Went to banks, and then the yields came down, and that's why that name failed for us. Wells Fargo right out the gate. What else didn't work? We had some Ford that actually worked out okay, and we ended up getting out pretty much flat. BMY was a good one. The 65 calls. We held some Intel overnight, like I said, and there was news on that one. Got lucky on that. Something else that didn't work. We were in Humana Equity. That worked out nicely. We rolled that into options, the 400s, which, we got some nice continuation on that. What didn't work on the option side? CGC. So we ended up grabbing some off of Tilray earnings. Ended up grabbing some of the 10 calls, and basically for 17 cents, they came down to like 12. Ended up just exiting the rest of them at the end of the day, pretty much flat. That didn't work out. And then Netflix would be another one that didn't work out today. Which this one, I was thinking Netflix, because it's extended like the other names on the daily, we should be able to get a little bit of a bounce. Got in the 580 calls, I believe it was, at 95 cents, and we ended up just getting stopped out of that one for a 50% loss on our starter size. We play the stop on the starter, and if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. If it starts working, we obviously add into the position, move the stops up. But other than that, pretty decent day. A lot of stuff basically just took a little bit of time to work. Just had to be patient for the things to turn. I think going forward, probably, if you guys weren't aware, it's obviously important to watch what's going on in the 10-year, watch the bonds, and then obviously watch the VIX and the SPY, and you can pretty much gauge the direction of the market. But yeah, pretty straightforward day. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Daily little recap here, coming out a little bit later because I totally forgot to do it. But yeah, we do this every single day, so watch for these recaps. More coming tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. Any questions, go to SpartanTrading.com.